You were not ready for this. XRP Ripple coin could leap to $227. That's pretty cool, right? This is not a joke, folks. This is real. All of this is happening because the trial between Ripple and the SEC is coming to an end. This is the best sign ever for going up. You should not miss this video. It's going to blow your mind. Let's get right to the point without any more nonsense. Nota bene. The long-awaited end to Ripple's fight with the SEC is almost here. The crypto world is very excited and you can feel it. Like Kira said in her tweet, the SEC and Ripple have decided to end their lawsuit over XRP within the next 90 days. This is very quick. The speed with which these events are happening has given people new hope, and some are saying that XRP's value will go through the roof once the case is over. The case, which began in 2020, said that Ripple Labs was selling securities that were not registered with the government. In July 2023, a district judge said that when XRP is sold to regular people, it is not a guarantee. But some sales of XRP by institutions were found to be against the law when it comes to stocks. Even though this mixed decision was still seen as a big win for the crypto industry, the SEC's recent appeal has made the result even less clear. Stuart Alderati, Ripple's top legal counsel, is still not worried. Throughout the legal fight, his sure leadership has been very helpful. He is still in charge of Ripple as the company turns its attention to the future of crypto law. At the XRP Community Day on January 28, Alderati will talk about what he thinks will happen with regulations in 2025. This much-anticipated event, which will be held on X Spaces, will also include Vet, co-founder of XRP Ledger Validator. It should be interesting to see how Ripple plans to deal with the changing rules and regulations. There is a lot of talk in the crypto world about what a final deal might mean for XRP. In a tweet, XRP Chancellor perfectly caught the mood. As the SEC plans its first secret meeting with its new chair, talks about a settlement in the Ripple case soar. The fight between Ripple and the SEC will soon be over. The new head of the SEC's support for crypto has given people hope that Ripple's victory may become even more certain. The XRP community is excited about more than just clear rules. It's the chance of a huge market reaction. Ripple Lord's bold statement that the value of XRP would rise by 400% after the lawsuit may seem exaggerated, but it shows how many people think that a green candle of historic proportions is on the way. If Ripple wins all of its lawsuits, big investors may rush into XRP, which would bring a flood of new money and use. Ripple's continued work to promote new ideas also stands out. At the center of their strategy is tokenization, and the company is a strong supporter of putting real-world assets on the blockchain. In the world of crypto, this trend is picking up speed because it opens up new ways to trade and invest in stocks, real estate, and other assets. Ripple's leadership in this area could change how useful XRP is and make it a key part of the tokenized economy. As the due date for Ripple's cross-appeal brief on April 16 draws near, the case is getting a lot of attention. Will Ripple win without a doubt and set a standard for the crypto industry? Or will the SEC's appeal make things less clear for longer? No matter what happens, the XRP community is ready, and there has never been a more likely time for a big change in crypto history. And you thought the XRP hype train was going to slow down. There's big news that could send Ripple through the roof. Believe me, what crypto experts think will happen will make you speechless. Stay put, you might not know as much about XRP as you thought before. So the crypto community is still arguing a lot about XRP's potential, with new predictions pushing the limits of what the Ripple native asset can do. Take the XRP captain's sure of himself tweet as an example. In the next 24 hours, I think XRP will break out. Steph agreed with this and pointed out a proven double bottom breakout on the monthly time frame. This is a technical sign that usually means there is a strong upward trend. But then Ammonix came along and made a crazy claim. Are you all set? XRP will get to $227. These statements may sound bold, but they're not even close to the earthquake guesses that Red Colley made. A well-known scientist and investor named Red Colley dropped a speculative news that could change how we think about cryptocurrencies in government financial strategy. His idea, if used properly, XRP could be the key to getting rid of the U.S.'s $34 trillion federal debt. You read that right. Colley's case is based on XRP's unique escrow system, which releases funds at set times. He thinks that the U.S. government could buy this escrowed XRP for free, which would cause its value to hit unheard-of heights, possibly $500 or even $1,000 per token. He said that this could bring in trillions of dollars and would not only pay off the national debt, but even making extra money for future projects. Colley's theory connects XRP's potential to Rosie Rios, who used to be U.S. Treasurer and is now a part of the Ripple board. Rios seems to agree with Trump's goal of lowering the national debt. He also talks about Trump Jr.'s interests in crypto and suggests that the decision to stay away from XRP was made on purpose to avoid conflicts of interest. It's an interesting story that ties together government goals, crypto innovation, and XRP's special features. But people are both excited and skeptical about this idea. Benjamin Perkins, a well-known figure in the crypto world, quickly pointed out how hard it would be to make this happen. Perkins said that for XRP to reach $500, its market value would have to reach $28 trillion, which is the same as the US GDP. He made it clear that getting to those levels of value could take decades, not months, especially with the way the market is moving right now. Others, like Robert Paulson, completely disregarded the idea, wondering how XRP could work when compared to safer cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Monero. Colley's theory brings up important questions about the role of digital assets in national economic strategies when looked at in a wider sense. Adding XRP to government banking systems might sound like a big deal, but it's actually very complicated from a legal, economic, and political point of view. Taking escrow digital assets to pay off the government debt has never been done before, and such a move would definitely get a lot of negative feedback. Also, for XRP to hit $500 or $1,000, it would need to be used and adopted in ways that have never been seen before. This means that Ripple would need to get a lot of support from big institutions, government approval, and real-world use cases that make a lot of people want to use it. Even in the volatile Bitcoin market, that's a big job. Even with the problems, people are excited about XRP because it has so much promise. As the XRP leader said, the breakout that everyone is waiting for could be coming up faster than we think. One thing is certain, XRP will hit $227,500 or more. The journey of Ripple is not over yet. There are many stories about what XRP might one day be able to do, including legal fights, expert predictions, and speculative theories. Could XRP really be the key to a change in the economy? Time will tell. The crypto world is still very interested in Ripple and its next big move for now. There were also some shocking agreements that will change the crypto world. This is something you really shouldn't miss, trust me. We're going to talk about steps that could make cryptocurrencies the next big thing. Pretty soon everyone will use it. What about these changes? The best signs of a rise we've ever seen. So, Ripple's ongoing work with global payment giants like MasterCard shows how the financial world is changing in a